Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut and TikTok editing. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply import your favorite sound from TikTok and use it right here in your CapCut video editing app. Let me show you how. Like for instance, if you want to add TikTok sound to this particular video in CapCut, so what you want to do right here to use CapCut sound in your video editing app in CapCut, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on sound right here. Then after click on sound, next thing you want to do right here is to navigate to this icon, which is TikTok icon or TikTok logo. Now, when you click on TikTok logo, you find out that the sound was not shown right here. It simply states that no favorite sound yet. Some song may not be shown due to copyright issues. Now, how do you fix this particular problem and successfully import your favorite sound from TikTok into your CapCut app? Let me quickly show you how. Very first thing, the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you close this tab right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and exit from your CapCut right here. Then you want to make sure you navigate to your TikTok right here. So go ahead and click on TikTok. Now, having opened up your TikTok, next thing you want to do is to search for your favorite sound. And for that, go ahead and come to the top right there, click on the search icon. And then what you want to do right there is to click on it. So once you click on the search icon, go ahead and search for whatever type of sound you are looking for. So you can see there are a lot of sound right here. So you can sound on trend, sound on TikTok trend. So there are a lot of sounding right here that you can use. I'm going to go ahead and click on search right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and navigate to sounds. So here we go. We have a lot of sound right here. We have popular, we have minimal, etc. The more you scroll down, the more you see different sound right here. However, we want to make use of one of the popular sound right here. This is trending sound right here. And this is a popular sound. So I'm going to click on the sound right here. Now, having click on the sound, next thing we want to do right here, we can see some of the people that have already used this particular sound to create video in TikTok. So what we want to do here is to simply click on any of the video right here. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular one right here. Just like so. So next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and then simply click on this share icon right here. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on download right here to download the video. You can see downloading. So after a successful download, we can easily exit from our TikTok app right here. Then we want to make sure we go back to our CapCut. So for that, I'm going to go ahead. The first thing first, we need to check the video on our gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my file manager. After open up my file manager, and the next thing you want to do is see the video right here. Okay, now let me go ahead and play the video right here. And see now we have the video in our phone right here. So I'm going to simply rename it. So I'm going to go ahead and rename the video for easy identification. I'm going to go ahead and click and hold down more, then rename. So I will call this one sound from TikTok. I'm done. It's like so. Next thing I'm going to do is exit from my file manager right here. I want to make sure now the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our CapCut project. So right here, this is the video I want to use the sound for. Okay, so now how can we get the sound from that particular video? Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on extract right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and look for the video in our gallery right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on album right here. I'll go ahead and open recent. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I go to my download file. So after I successfully rename this the video, next thing I'm going to do is to move this particular video to another folder for easy identification. For that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on videos right here. Go ahead and click on camera right here. This is the video right here. Just like so, you can see the video is in my camera folder right here. The next thing we want to do now is to go ahead and open up my CapCut. So I'm going to exit from here now and open my CapCut right here. After opening my CapCut, next thing I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and click on extract right here. So having opened up my CapCut, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on sand. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this particular icon, the folder. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on extract audio from video right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select the video from the folder. I'm going to click on here now. So the video is in my camera right here. So I will go ahead and click on the camera folder. Then this is the video, select the video and click on extract and add audio. Now we have the sound right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here to add the sound. Now it has been successfully added. So I can easily drag and make sure the sound fit in from the beginning of the video right here. So simply click and hold down and drag and then adjust it to the length of the video. So right here, this is where I'm going to cut the sound. Then select it right here and then go ahead and make sure I click on split right here. Cool. So I'm going to select this last part. I'll go ahead and click on delete. Now we have the sound successfully imported from TikTok into my CapCut right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.